Hey guys, Marcus Stone here, welcome to my channel, and in this short video I'm going to show you how to build a blog in Squarespace. So let's start. So here in the menu on the left, just click on your pages and then add a new one. Just click on this plus icon and then click on the blog. You can pick from the templates. Let's just go with the first one. And the blog appears in your menu. Okay, and now you can edit your blog posts. There are 4 posts just for your idea how it's going to be organized. But yeah, we can delete all of them and just create a new one, because that's what are you going to be doing basically. So let's delete it all, and we can delete this one too, and let's just create a new post. Okay, so as you can see, the date is going to be automatically updated. This is the author of the blog. Here you can customize the text, the content, the position, and everything else, and then also the colors of the fonts and so on. Okay, if you just click here, you can just type the text, the content of your blog. So if you click here, we're just going to add the title. Yeah, and here we are going to type the blog content. All right. Once you're done, you can also add images. I forgot to tell that there's this option too, of course. And then you can also edit your SEO and SEO description and everything. Social image. You can also share this content. You can just create an email draft or connect an account to social media and everything else. So yeah, there you have it, guys. That's how you build a blog in Squarespace. If you just click save here, it's just a draft. Just click here on the settings, back. The status is just draft, but you can change it to published. You can also schedule the publish. Yeah, up to your liking. So just click save and it's scheduled. So it's going to be published today, very soon. Good. All right. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.